Frozen foods are easy to take for granted simply because their very existence hinges on convenience, simplicity, and ease. But frozen foods have a complicated backstory and a long scientific evolution. For centuries, fishers, farmers, and trappers have preserved their meats, grains, and produce in unheated buildings during the winter. In this video, we've listed 10 interesting facts about frozen food you probably don't know. Number 1. Don't need preservatives. Frozen products do not need any preservatives to keep them safe because microorganisms do not grow when the food temperature is below 9.5 degrees Celsius. Number 2. First food freezing at commercial scale. It is said that the first use of freezing food on a commercial scale took place in the 1800s. According to the story, a wily Russian company froze a small number of geese and duck and shipped them to London. Number 3. Father of frozen food. German scientist and engineer Carl Paul Gottfried Linde is considered the father of frozen food. He spearheaded industrial cooling through the Hampson-Linde cycle. The professor of the Technical University of Munich used his knowledge to plan a refrigeration machine back in the 19th century. Number 4. No nutrients depletion. According to some old wives' tales, freezing food removes nutrients from the food. That's not true. Freezing food does not remove any nutrients, so freeze away. Number 5. Role of Guinness Brewery in frozen food history. German scientist Linde's efforts to build ice and refrigeration machines got a boost in 1892 when the Guinness Brewery asked him to create a carbon dioxide liquefaction plant for them. This pushed him further into the arena of low-temperature refrigeration and the liquefaction of air. Number 6. First frozen pizza. The Celentano brothers, who owned an Italian specialty store in the 1950s in New Jersey, are believed to have marketed the first frozen pizza in 1957. Number 7. TV dinner was not the first frozen meal. Some people think that the first complete frozen meal was the beloved TV dinner, but that's not true. The first frozen food dinner was the so-called strata plates introduced by Maxon Food Systems in 1945. This airplane's frozen food included meat, vegetable, and potato. Number 8. A heart attack-inspired healthy frozen meal trend. Conagra Foods introduced Healthy Choice in 1989. This frozen food line was inspired by the need to pursue healthy frozen picks after the company chairman, Charles Harper, had a heart attack because of his bad eating habits. Number 9. Freezer burn is normal. Don't be afraid of freezer burn or any color changes in your properly frozen food. Freezer burn is only the result of air hitting frozen food and allowing the ice to sublimate. If your frozen food has maintained a proper temperature, it's fine to eat. Number 10. Frozen meals are not balanced. Frozen food is great for eating, but mass-produced frozen foods may not be fully nutritious meals, so it's best to have a piece of fruit or yogurt on the side for more variety.